face is turning blue. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the ADDIS channel, boomey B. I am back again with another quick Halloween TUT. Today I'm going to be doing a look that is inspired from Beauregarde from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, or Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, because it's actually the newer version of her with some subtle differences because I don't have a blue anything to wear. So I just stood with this hoodie because she's still kind of sporty, so I just have this gray hoodie. I have my hair prepared for the wig. I'm going to sit here and do the tutorials similar to the way I did the last one, where I kind of explain everything that I'm going to do, and then you just watch me do it. So right now I'm starting with, wait, how about some pleasantries? How are you guys? How have you been? How's your lead up to Halloween going? I have one Halloween party I'm going to, and I'm trying to find a second one, and I have 2 outfits, and this is going to be one for one of them. And then I think I might be filming one more Halloween tutorial. If I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone, that is what I'll do. Anyway, let's get into the rest of this. So I came across ELLIE ADDIS's Violet Beauregarde and thought, oh my god, that's a genius idea, and it looks so simple and I want to recreate it. Obviously she has a lot of extra stuff that I don't have, that I won't use in this video, like, you know, her little touches that she changed in her video and as compared to her actual original. If you haven't seen her video, you should check it out. If I can, I will link the original video because she killed it, or I'll just link her Instagram to the page where you could just see the photo because it's dope. You've probably seen it already, but I felt like I wanted to do my own version of that with what I have. I do have the same palette that she does, so I'll be using this. I'm going to start out similar to how she did, mixing the blue and this pink color, and then simply just using the blue color. I also realized in the hunt for shadows that I do not have a dedicated shadow palette of shadows, so I will be using 5 palettes just to kind of figure out. So all of these are going to be, there's a shadow in every single one that I can use, so it's going to look similar to a cut crease, but it won't be. It's just going to kind of be a fade out and not even that deep. Like she says in her video, do whatever you want on your eyes. I'm doing what I can on my eyes. So. And then I have these 2 Milk products that I will use as highlighters. They are these blue iridescent colors. She sets her nose, and I don't have any kind of pigment blue, but I have the blue in the El Rey and the Mar palette. So I'm going to see if I can just set the blue a little bit with that. It doesn't look like she's too hard pressed on it anyway. Then I will put the wig on, whatever. When I'm done, I will come back, talk to you before we do the slow-mos, just like last time. And if you didn't see how wonderful I have daylight, because I started at 8 o'clock in the morning, go me. Let's get into the video. The bangs look a little sketchy because I cut them having to saw them because apparently my shears are trash now. But you know, never fret. I can pull them down a little bit more, freak it more. The only thing is that I want to see a little bit more of the fade out. In her picture, she didn't bring it all the way up that high. It literally only came to here. But on her video, ELLIE, ADDIS video, she took it all the way up. So I liked it like that because it looks better to me in the video than in the picture. But I can kind of give the bangs a little choppy look so they don't look so harsh. And also, I'm gonna cut the hair a little bit because her hair doesn't curl up like this. Anyway, this is good enough for not going anywhere. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I like the lip color, this lip selection way better. And now I'm sitting here trying to chew this gum so that it gets a little tough and I can blow some serious bubbles. Now, we're gonna just do a couple stills, a little bit of video. I hope you guys liked it. This was very fun. It was very easy once you get into kind of a, once you just are comfortable with what it is you're doing and know what you're doing. My suggestion is when you do this, do not put any makeup on prior, or don't put anything oily based, because that's what I believe was making the makeup slide right off my face. That's a little suggestions for if you attempt this look. With that said, I had a great time. This was really fun. I can't wait to do it and wear it out. Y'all be cool like y'all be cool. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I can get one more Halloween video out before actual Halloween. And that will be my second Halloween look of this year. So, well, not YouTube video, but look for actual Halloween. Anyway, you know what I mean. Have a good one. I love you the best. I love you the most. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell 2 times so you can see our videos. Remember, we're trying to get out the void. Thank you very much.
What's for dessert, baby?
Dessert? Here it comes. Blueberry pie and cream. It's the most marvelous blueberry pie I've ever tasted.
Holy Toledo, what's happening to your face?
Cool it, Dad. Let me finish.
Yeah, but your face is turning blue. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.